So I stumbled upon this LED wood USB nightlight magnetic wall lamp, and I'm obsessed. It adds such a cozy ambiance to my room, especially during movie nights or when I'm winding down with a book. Trust me, you need this in your life. Don't wait. Get yours today and level up your room decor game.
TikTok made me buy it. I use this thing every day without fail. It's a magnetic candlestick night light. It's the perfect guide light for the middle of the night. Has a very soft and relaxing light. I think everyone needs one of
Hey guys, so I just got this super cool LED wood USB nightlight magnetic wall lamp, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. It's like having a piece of art that lights up your space in the most beautiful way. Plus, it's magnetic, so you can easily adjust it to suit your mood. Get yours today and elevate your room vibes. Guys, you won't believe what I found. This LED wood USB nightlight magnetic wall lamp is seriously a game changer for my room. The warm glow it emits is so soothing, and it's the perfect addition to my space. Whether you're studying, relaxing, or just chilling with friends, this lamp sets the mood just right. Get yours today and transform your room into a cozy paradise.
This sensor light stick. It's got a smart motion sensor mode that turns on automatically in low light environments. You'll get a soft and comfortable light that is perfect for a good night's rest. Shop now.
Introducing the Glowtorch, a first-of-its-kind nightlight that lets you detach it from its base, allowing you to play around with it. Don't drop it or you'll break its frosted glass dingus. Stick it anywhere you want, and find the bathroom wasted at 4 a.m. again.